This is my MacBook Pro from 2013, and this power adapter here has seen better days. Well, actually it's an underpowered. I need a 60 watt power AC adapter, but this one's only 45 watts. Sorry if you can't see. So I bought this Hebest third-party power adapter. It's actually 85 watts instead of 60 watts. Today I'll be unboxing it. Comes in here, as well as a little booklet. It says there's a 90-day exchange and 12-month warranty, and then some suggestions on handling this power adapter. I got it off of Amazon for $19.49. And again, this is the manufacturer or the seller is Hebest. Standard T connector, MagSafe 2. Compare the size because it's 85 watt versus 45 watt. Big difference in size to support the extra wattage. Comes with the little thing that keeps it in. The cable itself is around 5 feet long. You can see here's the thing over here. It says 85 watts. 85 watts over here.
To restore some, I might get the Mandalorian.
It says 85 watts here. PA-85W. So I'm going to go plug this in. There's no lights on this side, but there's obviously the light on the connector. Right now the battery is at 83%. Power source battery. I'm going to connect this in, and you'll see that it changes to power adapter. Battery is not charging yet, but I'm pretty sure it will. And you see that battery not charging is gone. So I'll leave it. It's 10:55. I'll leave it for 5-10 minutes and come back and show you that it does charge. Again, the light is amber. If it were green, it's fully charged. Right now it's not hot. The reason why I purchased a higher wattage adapter is I've read on forums for this model, 2013, and maybe even up to like 2018 MacBook Pros. You can use higher wattage power adapters. It won't make your laptop charge faster, but the nice thing I think is it won't put as much stress on the adapter. If you had a regular stock 61, people have said there's like a noticeable whine noise or buzzing noise, but I know some people have mentioned if you use a higher wattage one, you won't hear a buzzing noise possibly. So it's at 83%. It's already up to 84% now. I think it went up 1%. Sorry, my eyes might be deceiving me. Again, let me come back in 5 minutes and see where we're at. But it seems to be charging, and so thumbs up. So it's been 5 minutes. It's 11 o'clock now, and it was 84%. It's now 86%, so it is charging. Even gives it battery estimate. What I like to do is instead I will run Planet Coaster, which will take a lot of CPU, as well as I'm going to run OBS recorder. I'm going to record something. So between the two, it's going to be doing a lot. And like I mentioned, it's currently at 87%. It's charging. So now when it's actually in heavy usage, can it still charge? That's the second test I'm going to run, and so It's 11:01. I'll probably come back in 10 minutes since it'll take a while for it to charge since it's draining so much from the power adapter. So it's not quite 10 minutes, it's about 8 minutes, but I'll show you. Recording OBS, as well as running Planet Coaster, running a coaster, was at 88%, and now it's at 90%, which isn't too bad. Actually 91% considering I'm putting load on this adapter, as well as, just trying to charge the battery. So far, good things with this adapter here. Let's see if it lasts a year or two. So I'll have to come back in a year about this.